Welcome everyone, I am here with another video, and this video is about handmade jewelry, pearl jewelry designs. These designs will help you to make pearl jewelry at home. If you are going to start a small business of jewelry at home, then these ideas will be very helpful for you. This video contains a lot of designs that are very beautiful and delicate made of pearl. In this video you will get designs of handmade bracelets, necklaces and earrings. If you like this video, then don't forget to share your views in the comment section and follow my channel for more such videos.